Hi everyone, welcome to BitcoinGem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to learn something that can help you become a better investor and trader in crypto. I hope you guys find this video valuable, you enjoy the video, and do subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this channel. This is your community. So guys, today we are going to learn the difference between buying something randomly and buying something at a technical price. Okay, I'll keep this video very short, sweet, and I really hope that this video and many more such videos make you a better trader and investor in crypto. So if you like this video, if you like my effort, please comment down below, subscribe channel, let me know that you like these efforts so I can make more such videos. If you don't like it, it will be a waste of my time and I won't make more videos. So first, let me share a message with you to show you what I want to teach you today. Okay, now this is a message in the BitcoinGem Genesis NFT group. This message was on 8th July, a short-term swing trade of GMT. Spot buying was at 0.965, take profit was at $1.4 and stop loss was at 0.85. Profit percent was 45, loss percent was 12. And most important thing, it was a spot buy, not a leverage buy. Set the buy zone and only buy at buy zone. So I gave a proper buy zone and I told them to only buy at buy zone, not to buy otherwise, and only spot buying, no leverage. This was on 8th July. So let's go back to the chart of GMT to see what happened. And this is where I want to teach you a very important lesson of difference of buying randomly and buying at a technical price. So this is a GMT 1 hour chart, and on 8th of July, when I had given this trade, GMT was somewhere above $1. Let me, yeah, I think it will be better to see on the 4 hour. You will get to know because I gave this trade according to a 4 hour chart. So GMT was somewhere around $1.5. You can see over here on 8th of July, you can see the date to 1.05. And my buy zone was 0.965. We came down and we bounced exactly from 0.96. So my buy zone was 0.965. And there was a reason I gave this buy zone because it was a technical area for me. And we immediately bounced from there, but the bounce was not as per what I was expecting. So this downtrend did not get broken and it continued. So now the follow-up message that I had sent on the group, let me again take you back to that. So this was my updated message on 10th of July. GMT is losing steam. It's still above our buy zone, so you can exit. We will enter later. On 10th of July, I had messaged this because I saw GMT to lose steam and I was afraid that we will hit our stop loss and we will go down further. Hence, I told in my group to come out of the trade. And what happened? It was on 10th of July. GMT was somewhere over here at $1. And everybody from our group got exited between 1 to 0.98. And what happened later was GMT went all the way down to 0.8. So if I had not done this, we would have triggered a stop loss, and it was very clear to me that we were going to correct and hit our stop loss, because the reason why I gave this buy zone was I was expecting a breakout of this downtrend, which did not happen. But giving a buy zone of such technical importance gave me a good opportunity to exit without losing my capital, in fact making 1 or 2% profit, and we got the chance to exit the trade. Had I bought randomly at any price, I might not have got this opportunity to to exit in profit. So I always emphasize on preserving capital. I don't like to lose capital. If possible, you should never lose capital, in my opinion. So I take trades with as much cautious as possible. If I think that we are going to lose capital and we can avoid, I do that. So you can see, by putting a buy order at a very important buy zone, we got a good bounce, though not as good as I expected, but still we got a bounce and we got an opportunity to exit with our capital intact, or in fact making 1 or 2% profit, even when the trade was not going as per our expectations. So it's not that always trade goes by our expectations. At times it does not. We are not here to predict future. We are here to trade in a very swift way given any market conditions. So when you buy at a technical price rather than buying randomly, you will always get an opportunity to cut down your loss, or at least take no loss at all if your technical area of buying is good. Hence, this is what you need to learn and groom yourself, become a better trader. Don't buy randomly at any price, buy at important technical areas. This is what I wanted to suggest you today, and I hope this will make you somewhat a better trader, better investor, and you will keep this important lesson in mind. If you like this video, please do let me know, and this will help me to make more such videos for you guys. Take care, guys.